Welcome back to Adventure Atlas. Today, we're diving into a juicy topic, the best fruits to eat for weight loss. Fruits are delicious, nutritious, and can be your best allies on your weight loss journey. So, get ready to fuel your body with nature's candy. First up, we got our berry good friends. Blueberries, strawberries, raspberries, and blackberries. They're low in calories, but high in fiber, which is key when you're trying to lose weight. Fiber keeps you feeling full longer, so you're less likely to reach for unhealthy snacks. Plus, the antioxidants in berries help your body burn calories more efficiently. Add a handful of berries to your breakfast or snacks for a sweet, satisfying treat. Embrace the power of these tiny fruits and watch those pounds melt away. Next up on our weight loss fruit adventure, we're heading to the tropics for a taste of papaya, a fruit that's as vibrant as the islands it comes from. This fruit isn't just delicious, it's a nutritional powerhouse packed with vitamins A and C and enzymes that aid digestion. These enzymes, particularly papain, help break down proteins and ease your digestive process. Papaya is low in calories and high in fiber, making it a champion in the fight against extra pounds. The fiber content helps you feel full longer, reducing the urge to snack between meals. You can enjoy it in so many ways. Its versatility in the kitchen is unmatched. Try it in a fruit salad, where its sweetness complements other fruits perfectly. Blend it into a smoothie for a refreshing drink, or even grill it to bring out a unique, caramelized flavor. Get creative in the kitchen and let your taste buds go on an adventure. From salsas to desserts, the possibilities are endless. Embrace the tropical goodness of papaya and watch as it helps you achieve your weight loss goals. Not only will you enjoy its delightful taste, but you'll also benefit from its health-boosting properties. You know what they say, an apple a day keeps the doctor away. Apples are like the trusty sidekicks on your weight loss journey. They're packed with fiber, especially pectin, which helps you feel fuller for longer. Apples are perfect for snacking on the go. Just toss one in your bag and you're good to go. So the next time you're craving something sweet and satisfying, reach for an apple. It's a delicious and nutritious way to fuel your body and curb those cravings. Let's talk about grapefruit, the tangy citrus fruit that's earned its reputation as a fat-burning superstar. This vibrant fruit is not only delicious, but also packed with nutrients that can help you shed those extra pounds. Grapefruit is known for its high water content, which is amazing for weight loss. The high water content helps you feel full, reducing the urge to snack on unhealthy foods. A boosted metabolism means you're burning calories more efficiently, even when you're at rest. This is one of the key reasons why grapefruit is so effective in aiding weight loss. Grapefruit is also low in calories and packed with vitamins and antioxidants. These nutrients not only support your overall health, but also enhance your body's ability to burn fat. You can enjoy grapefruit in so many ways. Have it for breakfast as a refreshing start to your day, add it to your salads for a tangy twist, or juice it up for a nutrient-packed drink. Embrace the power of grapefruit and let it work its magic on your weight loss journey. Incorporate this citrus superstar into your diet and experience the benefits for yourself. Last but definitely not least, we have the kiwi, a small but mighty fruit that packs a serious punch when it comes to weight loss. Despite its unassuming size, this little fruit is a powerhouse of nutrients and health benefits. Kiwi is an excellent source of vitamin C, even more so than oranges. Just one kiwi can provide you with more than your daily requirement of this essential vitamin, which is crucial for boosting your immune system and keeping your skin healthy. It's also a fantastic source of fiber, both soluble and insoluble, which helps keep you feeling full and satisfied. This means you're less likely to reach for unhealthy snacks throughout the day. The combination of vitamin C, fiber, and antioxidants makes kiwi a true champion in the fight against those stubborn pounds. Antioxidants help combat oxidative stress and inflammation, further aiding in weight management. Add this little green gem to your diet and watch as it works its magic from the inside out. Whether you enjoy it on its own, in a fruit salad, or blend it into a smoothie, the kiwi is a versatile and delicious addition to any meal plan. That's it for today's episode on the best fruits for weight loss. We've explored the incredible benefits of berries, papaya, apples, grapefruit, and kiwi. Remember, incorporating these fruits into your diet isn't about deprivation, it's about making smart and delicious choices. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up and subscribe to Adventure Atlas for more health tips and travel adventures. Until next time, stay adventurous, stay healthy, and keep crushing it.